This is gonna take me a million times. I can do this. I can do this. It's just a camera. It's just to fuck people on a camera. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever, but those of you who are new here, please subscribe. I am back. I am back officially. What better time right now because it's lockdown and the salons are closed in Utah, so I have nothing better to do. I am going to do like a dewy, fun, simple makeup look, if that makes sense. I just feel like doing my makeup so I can feel good. Let's start with primer. We're gonna do the Smashbox. I don't know if you guys can see that. Ooh. And if you've noticed, I did my brows first because those take forever, and I actually made a updated brow tutorial for you guys. I plan on doing like a brow mapping video as well, like kind of like my older video but much better. Primer is on, and before I do my face I like to start with eyeshadow. So I already primed my eyes with the 24-hour Extend Eye Base by MAC Prep and Prime. You can see I prepped them in my brow video, so just didn't want to forget to tell you guys. And I'm gonna go in with the, wow, I use this palette way too much, but the Naked Heat palette. We're gonna go in with Sauce, just a little bit. And I'm just gonna put it at my crease, little circular motions. Oh, by the way, this is the Morphe x JACLYN Hill brush JH32. Comment below and tell me if you guys have been as stressed as I am. Don't think I've ever been this stressed in a long time. I'm gonna go in the color with Lumbre, I believe that's how it's pronounced, this color. But I'm gonna take a different brush. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and take the Morphe M433 brush, and I'm gonna go into the color Lumbre, and then I'm gonna just place it right in there. So this is a really good look for like when you're really in a hurry, where you just don't know what to do and you just want to keep it simple. This is a good one. So I'm just pushing it into the crease, blending it in, and then I'm going on the eyelid and just patting it in there. Take this color called Ounce with my, don't know what this brush is because all the numbers are off of it, but it's Morphe brush. And I'm just gonna bring it up into my brow, and then flicking it, tapering it inwards. So same thing, gonna go ahead and take Ounce. I'm just gonna pack it on there. And then I'm gonna put a little bit on my eyelid. I'm going to take the BECCA highlighter Champagne Pop, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on my pinky. It's quite a bit, but it's okay. I'm gonna place it right here. Okay, and then take blending brush. Just blend that right in. One time, I had a client tell me that my voice was so soothing that I should do ASMR, and that was in 2014, before it was like a big, huge thing. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face. I'm going to be using, it's the Studio Skin in the shade 212. I'm going to go ahead and take my foundation, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it with a foundation brush. So I've really been liking this foundation. I was using Cover FX because I like the ingredients better in it, but I was breaking out, and I feel like, I don't know, it never did it for me, and I was using it for 3 years. Like, I kept giving it a try, but it just like never was working. So I've switched back to Smashbox, but I also like Makeup Forever. They've just been out of my color, so I wasn't able to get it. Comment below what favorite foundation you like. What stops you from wearing makeup? For me, it's thinking about taking it off. I feel like that's exhausting. Like, just the process of taking off your makeup is exhausting to me. Like, I keep trying to tell myself it's relaxing, it feels good, like pampering your skin, like it is, but the act of me doing it on myself is just a lot for me. But I like this foundation because it's buildable, so like I like full coverage, but I also want to be in control of my full coverage. And I like take my beauty blender and I like to blend it out. I've been a hairstylist for about 8 years in September, or September? August 2012. Okay, now that I've got foundation on, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with bronzer. I usually would set my face first with powder, but I'm out. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Hoola bronzer and bronze my face and head. That way I don't look disconnected because I don't have hair. So I like to go in and just pat around my face, and then I'll take circular motions and just blend it all in. And then I like to take a little more and just bring it into my cheeks, circular motions, and I'm using a little bit of pressure, not too much. Sometimes if I feel like it's dark outside or you're going to like a nightclub or whatever, like I like to do a little bit darker, but during the day, I just like to take the excess and get my jaw. I like to take a smaller brush. So this is the Morphe E48 brush. I freaking love this brush. So I go back into my Hoola bronzer and I just get enough so the brush is half covered like that. I'm gonna go in here. This is where I'm gonna put it because this is where I want it to be the darkest. And I'm just gonna make circular motions very lightly because I don't want to look like a skeleton. This is how I do it at first. And then I add a little bit more pressure and I bring it up because I'm tapering it upwards. Okay, that looks super dark on camera, but I swear to God it's not. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and buff it out a little bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my nose. I'm just gonna do a little bit. Go ahead and take my Hoola bronzer and just do a tiny bit. Place it right here. Feather it, taper it back up into the brow bone. Now I'm gonna go in with highlight, and I'm gonna be using 2 different highlights. I want to use the BECCA Champagne Pop and the Lancome, the Radiant Rose Gold highlight. Let's see. I'm gonna take a fan brush. I'm gonna go ahead and put a tiny bit on here and go ahead and glide it on my tip of my brow bone. I'm just taking the excess and bringing it down because I don't want too much. I'm gonna take my Morphe x JACLYN Hill JH30 brush with Champagne Pop. I'm gonna take a tiny bit right here, and then a little bit here, and here, and then a little on my brow bone, the arch of my brow, and only a little bit on my cupid's bow. I'm gonna blend this in with some blush, the NARS Orgasm blush. Looks like this, and then blend it up. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Urban Decay setting spray. I got these from Head Covers, and they look like this. I don't know, can you see? I think I'm gonna put at least eyeliner on my waterline, so let me do that real quick. Gonna go ahead and put these lashes on. My favorite lash glue is this one by Velour. Since I don't really have eyelashes, I like to apply it directly to my waterline. Okay, so this is how I apply the lash glue, like this. I like this glue because it lasts so long and it's latex free. These lashes are really nice. I don't know if you can see, but it's like black and brown. There we go. Not bad. So I'm just going in between the lash and my waterline and filling that in. So I don't have any lashes to give it like that depth. I don't know if I'm digging this. I think we might have to do wing eyeliner. Not too bad. We saved the look. I just realized I didn't put concealer underneath my eyes. I'm just gonna do a little bit, just the tiniest bit. Just like that. Okay, well, it's fine. Okay, I'm gonna go in with lip liner now. This is from the Kylie Lip Kit. And my lips are like small medium, so I like to overline them. Now I'm gonna go in with the matte liquid lipstick. And I like to put a very thin layer because I hate when it's like really thick and dry. And then I like to touch my nose and put a little tiny bit of bronzer right underneath my lip, just to make it look a little pouty. So like right here. And then, final step, I like to put a little brow powder on my mole since it's disappeared from the foundation, just to bring it back to life again. Just a little bit. Alright guys, this is me in blue lighting. This is me in, I don't even know what this, fluorescent lighting. And this is me in like yellow lighting. I personally think this one is better. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. It didn't go as planned, but I still like it. What do you guys think? And then if you guys want any like specific looks, just let me know in the comments below as well, because I would like to make more videos, but I need ideas. I have my own ideas, but I'd like to know what you want to see. But I hope you enjoyed my video.